really good color. I put it on low. As you guys can see, that rosemary is really bringing out the flavor and the smell. They look really good. I'm cooking these in olive oil, and I have my cauliflower over here, which I'm actually going to put some of my favorite stuff ever, which is the Badia complete seasoning. That stuff has really great taste. It gives everything a really good flavor. So putting some of that. Another thing that I love to use a lot is adobo. I'm Hispanic, what can I say? So, but I'm just gonna cook that and then finish on my mac and cheese, and we should be good to go. I'll show you guys the finished product. And here's the finished product, guys. That uncured pork with bacon, rosemary from Niman Ranch with broccoli and mac and cheese.